The TP-Link TL-WPA4220 300 megabits per second AV600 Wi-Fi Powerline Extender is a reliable and convenient solution to extend your home network's Wi-Fi coverage. In this report, we will cover the availability, features, performance, price, coverage, method of operation, and target audience of this product, along with its pros and cons. Availability. The TP-Link TL-WPA4220 300 megabits per second AV600 Wi-Fi Powerline Extender is available on Amazon, Best Buy, and the official TP-Link website. It can also be found in electronic stores such as Fry's Electronics and Micro Center. Features. This Powerline Extender is designed to expand the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network, making it ideal for homes with multiple floors or thick walls that hinder Wi-Fi signals. With speeds of up to 300 megabits per second, it can provide a stable and fast internet connection to all connected devices, such as smartphones, laptops, and smart TVs. The TL-WPA4220 also features a built-in power socket, which allows you to plug in other electrical devices without losing an outlet. Performance. The TL-WPA4220 provides a reliable and stable Wi-Fi connection, even in areas where the Wi-Fi signal is weak. The AV600 Powerline technology helps to ensure a stable and high-speed internet connection, allowing you to stream HD videos, play online games, and download large files without any lag or buffering. Price. The TP-Link TL-WPA4220 300 megabits per second AV600 Wi-Fi Powerline Extender is available at a reasonable price range of $50 to $60. The price may vary depending on the store and the region. Coverage. The TL-WPA4220 provides coverage of up to 10,000 square feet, making it ideal for large homes and apartments. It uses existing electrical wiring to extend the Wi-Fi signal, which means you can easily connect multiple devices in any room without additional wiring or drilling. Method of operation. The TL-WPA4220 is easy to install and use. Simply plug the device into an electrical outlet near your router and connect it to your router using an Ethernet cable. Then, plug the second device into an electrical outlet in the area where you need the Wi-Fi signal to extend, and it will automatically connect to the first device. Finally, connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network, and you're good to go. Target audience. The TP-Link TL-WPA4220 300 megabits per second AV600 Wi-Fi Powerline Extender is perfect for people who need to extend their Wi-Fi signal to areas with poor connectivity or weak signals. It is suitable for large homes, apartments, or areas with thick walls. It is also an excellent option for gamers, streamers, and people who use multiple devices simultaneously. Pros. Easy to install and use. Provides a stable and reliable Wi-Fi signal. Has a built-in power socket. Can extend the coverage of up to 10,000 square feet. Affordable price range. Cons. May not work well in areas with outdated wiring. Powerline adapters may interfere with other electrical devices, such as refrigerators or microwaves. The Wi-Fi signal may degrade if the distance between the devices is too far or if the electrical wiring is outdated. In conclusion, the TP-Link TL-WPA4220 300 megabits per second AV600 Wi-Fi Powerline Extender is a reliable and cost-effective solution to extend your Wi-Fi signal. It provides a stable and fast connection and is easy to install and use. It is ideal for large homes, apartments, or areas with thick walls and is suitable for gamers, streamers, and people who use multiple devices simultaneously. While it may have a few drawbacks,